Hello everyone, this is Megha and I know this 2020 is a very different year, it is a very transformative year and it is taking a toll on mental health, it is taking toll on emotional health as well as the physical health with all the restrictions that we all are going through. But just know that everything is working out for our betterment and for the good for all of us. With that thought, with that trust in the universe, just to make sure that we are constantly working towards the better version of our own self. Just breathe in and relax and just look at the brighter side of life and just know that there are ample of things to feel grateful about. Now with this, I want to bring out a very beautiful aspect of our life, which is the most important area of our life, I can say, that is sleep. Now that we spend about a good number of hours having a good sleep, sometimes due to some reasons, due to some stress and the other tensions, we kind of not have or we can't enjoy the good sleep. So many people were asking me that if there is something that we can do to improve upon our sleep patterns or maybe the quality of sleep. Now we all know that sleep is the essential part, whereas it produces the beautiful hormone called serotonin, which allows us to be in the happy state. So why do we need to emphasize so much on sleep is also because this is the time, this is the dream time where we visit our loved ones, where most of the healing takes place, where we rejuvenate our physical body, our emotional body, our mental body. So it's essential part of us, our living. So let us just look at a beautiful pattern, which is sleep. So just make sure that some of the very easy steps that you can do to improve upon your level of or the quality of sleep, I can say, is that just reduce down the screen time before going to bed. Just try and have a very soothing and relaxing thought patterns, say before an hour or a couple of hours before going to bed. Just make sure that you have some soothing environment around, so that once you go off to sleep, you can fall off to sleep very easily. Just avoid any kind of tense or stressed topic around night time, so it might allow you to enhance your relaxing so that you can enjoy good sleep. Now just know that in the sleep time we do rejuvenate ourselves, so try and maximize the relaxing state by various activities that you may know and the tools that I have given. But with this, I want to give you a short activations. I wouldn't say activation, but rather I can say just a soothing relaxation to put you off to sleep very easily. That's with the light language. So this light language, it directly affects your sleep and it improves upon the quality of sleep. And I know that many people are having issues falling off to sleep, and then once if they fall off to sleep, then they have a disturbed sleep. So let's just enhance our sleep and rejuvenate ourselves completely. So here is the light code for you, and where you can just listen to this before going to bed, and straight away you can fall off to sleep. And I'm sure that this light codes are directly work upon your DNA and activate that relaxing state of mind immediately. So here is the code for all of you. Hakiri mikala na mahana hanamastuani hanimaha. Homo homo halalawaha pihara arastu ahari alalawaha. He kere bihara olululu muhamuhana ananawahani hini. Hene inistu ahari kurustu kuru kuru bihara alahastuaha. Hakakara kara 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 namahani mimi hamahana ha. Horu holalawaha kuru kurustu ahani miharika. Hakiki kiki 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 libihari aristu ahari kan namaha. When you're listening to this, just make sure that you have your eyes closed. You are in the most relaxed state. And allow your body to relax. Hakiri mikhala la mahane ananawahami hakurustu nimiha. Hama halala waha muhara muhara karanana mahani konustuani hamaha. Hame halala wehe bihara urustu kuri kuri na mahani ha ane mahastu astuari biha. Hakili bihara urulu homi hama hana mahani konustuani hamiha. Hame halala wehe bihara urustu kurustu me hakuru kuri nimi hakuri nima. Hani la wehe bihara ululu waha bikurustuani imi hani anaha hamaha haki ki Haki ki 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 nami hami halala wehe bihara urustu hari haki kiri bihara urustu hari mahana hana maha hakalala wehe bihara urulu boha bikara maha ni anastu har hami ha hakala stu astu ari bihari idistu hami ha kuruno ama hama halala waha mihara anama sleep. Hakale bahastu astuari bihara urustuani mahale maha habakalalo bihari urustu kuari tu astuali biha hakare do bihara ururu wa bihara hanahina unustuniha. You can enjoy a beautiful sound sleep and just know that the angels of sleep are helping you to have a beautiful sleep ahead. Be in love, be in your heart. God bless. Take care of yourself. Thank you.